Hello guys, today we have a quick video about Chaojie display, with a problem that our friend is facing. His problem is that he cannot set the battery level indicator of the display. He has connected all the wires plus the communication wire from the display to the far driver controller. Also he has adjusted the system voltage for the display, and still nothing. So today we will try to help with a quick video about that issue. In front of us we have the screen of my jet flyer, which as you can see also does not show the battery level. This is because I generally don't use it to check my battery state. I only check it through the battery voltage at the bottom left of the screen because it is more accurate. So here we have a very good example to set my own Chaojie display as well. Now let's start to see how we can solve this particular problem. The first step is to reset the vehicle through the ignition switch. Once the vehicle is turned on, within 5 seconds we must press the plus and minus buttons of the display simultaneously and hold them continuously until the screen enters to the settings menu. As you can see, I have already set the 48-volt system, which is correct but still does not show us the percentage of the battery. This is because in the voltage setting it has some random numbers that are not correct. In minimum we see that it has set it at 1200 and at the max 0740. This means that the minimum voltage of the battery is set it at 120 volts and the maximum at 74 volts. As we all understand, this is wrong and we must change these settings numbers. In the minimum option, we must set the minimum voltage of the 48-volt system, which in my case is at 40 to 41 volts. In the maximum option, we must select the maximum voltage of the system, which is 54.7 volts. After we finish with the voltages, we must restart our vehicle from the ignition key to set the settings. Now, as you can see, the battery indicator shows us the correct level of the charge. That's it for today guys, and see you in the next video.